What's up, guys? Today's video I'm going to talk to you about wholesaling vacant lots. Hope you're doing great. I'm in front of a lot here in Miami. Here in South Florida, people are building like crazy. I actually build single family houses, and the land market has easily doubled or tripled in the last 2 or 3 years. This lot we bought about 2 years ago. We paid about 40 grand for it, and we were going to build on it. We decided to, instead of tying up cash, we decided to free up our cash. We sold the lot to someone that's going to build a duplex on this lot, and we sold it for about $85,000. So we about doubled our money in 2 years, and worked out great. I've also wholesaled vacant land, and especially areas like South Florida where they're building like crazy. Land is a great thing to wholesale. I think few less people are trying to wholesale vacant land. I think that people have maybe less attachments to it than a single family house, and there are plenty of buyers out there that are building. And some people are just holding on to vacant land. So you just need to build up your buyers list, people that are actually building, driving areas. So if you get a lot under contract, drive the area, see who's building in the area, and send them the deal. Go to your RIAs, same thing you'd use to find other buyers, for regular residential buyers, but you're gonna look for those people that are buying vacant land to build on and sell. And the best customer, or the best person to flip vacant land to, is someone that's gonna build something and hold on to it. They usually could pay a little bit more for the vacant land. So you know, you can get vacant land lists from your local county. They'll be able to provide those for you. I've gotten those lists here in South Florida, and you can mail them, cold call them. So when you're out driving for dollars, make sure you use an app like Landglide or Deal Machine, and because a lot of times you're not going to know what the property is. So by looking at the neighbors' properties, you could find the vacant lot on Landglide, drop a pin, and you can export it later. You could cold call these people, send them letters, etc. All right, guys, sweating my butt off here. If you guys found any value in this, please like, subscribe. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the notifications. We're going to be dropping a lot more content here coming soon.